Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I am going to be eating this Kellogg's Mermaid Frootloops cereal. So I saw this is a new thing at Pick n Pay, and I think they used it to replace the unicorn cereal. I'm quite sad about that. I enjoy the unicorn cereal, but this is supposed to be berry flavor. I like berries. I like mermaids. I'm basically an overgrown adult child, so I was like, yes, let's try this. As a fully grown adult, I am allowed to eat cereal for lunch. Yeah, it just smells like plastic. It just smells like normal Fruit Loops. I hope this at least tastes nice. It was like 43 rand. So I'm gonna eat a little bit. This is what it looks like. It's just like 3 colors. It tastes like diabetes. Then I'm just gonna add some more Pick n Pay milk. If you throw milk in first, then cereal, I'm sorry, we can't be friends. At least you know, if it's a new range of cereal, that it'll be fresh and crispy, because I'm usually used to the stuff that's been sitting on the shelf for quite a while and it's quite hard, but this is nice and crispy. Honestly, it doesn't taste like berries. At all. It actually doesn't have that much flavor once you use the milk. I missed the unicorn one. That was really tasty. Like, it's not bad. For 43 rand a box, I would expect something really delicious, especially if it's part of their new line. I mean, they should have just kept the normal Fruity Loops then. Because I mean, I think this is more expensive than normal plain Fruity Loops. This is a scam. But I mean, once you get into it, I mean, it's nice, but like, I only eat it if my mother buys it for me. Like, I wouldn't spend my own money on this. Blueberry flavored oaties with marshmallows, I love that. But the marshmallows are always rock hard. I never get soft marshmallows in that cereal. And that's my lunch. Honestly, it's not bad, but it's not fantastic, spectacular, or groundbreaking as I thought it would be. I prefer the unicorn one. I don't know if I'm just being a bit biased. Possibly, but I like the packaging. It was the packaging that actually got me. The surface of this box was a nice combination of matte and like shimmer. So the texture was really interesting and it had these nice interesting colors, and here I thought it was going to be a nice blueberry flavor. I couldn't taste any blueberry, it was just sugar. And it's got this thing on the back, but I'm way past the age to be playing with this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!